Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future content. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the 1/3 PCS Multifunctionele vegetable cutter with steel blade mandoline slicer potato peeler carrot cheese grater kitchen. This kitchen tool is an absolute game changer and will revolutionize the way you prepare your meals. Let's talk about its features. First off, the stainless steel blade is incredibly sharp and durable, ensuring clean and precise cuts every time. It's also super easy to use, making meal prep a breeze. The anti-slip stripe panel and comfortable grip make it effortless to use, and it's the perfect tool for achieving uniform thickness when slicing or grating. Whether you're preparing a simple salad or a gourmet meal, this vegetable cutter will be your trusty kitchen companion. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and slicing, and hello to a more efficient and enjoyable cooking experience. And the best part? It's incredibly lightweight and easy to clean, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen. So, if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the 1/3 PCS Multifunctionele vegetable cutter with steel blade mandoline slicer potato peeler carrot cheese grater kitchen. Trust me, you won't regret it. You can find the link to purchase this amazing product in the description box below. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.